Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to a special place which is organizing a vintage cars and bikes exhibition. As always, I'll attach the captured photos at the end or in between of this video. Please do subscribe if you like this kind of videos. So the host is Club de Golf, which is situated near Eco Park. I'll share the full location in the description box below. Entry fee is $4.99 to see the cars and bikes, and $8.99 if you want to opt for the additional brunch and 330 ml of beer. Once you enter, you will see lots of vintage cars on both sides of the parking spot. I'll try to explain most of the cars. The show catcher was the black Rolls Royce. I'll show you that later. So initially we got some Ford's car and then we got 3 bikes. I can't recall the exact names of them, so yeah. Anyway, let's enjoy the cars. So here we go. We have now 3 Rolls Royce and the black one was glowing separately. Man, I can tell you that this is the best part of this show. Now we have some Fiat and Chevrolet cars. This design is never getting old, especially if you are staying in Kolkata and you are habituated to seeing yellow taxis of this design and authentic ambassadors. So these designs is never getting old. If you watched till this point, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like. Now I am attaching all the photos I have taken during this day. I hope you will like them as well.